Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base withdrawal proof of the website I shared with you in the past videos, and I share multiple times this website withdrawal, and right now I share with you again. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website, and let's get started. This is the website. This website name is shiba, and right now you can see I have this much coin. I can withdraw any cryptocurrency I want. I just click right now I want to click USD dollar. Okay, I go to my faucetpay, copy USDT coin wallet orders from deposit. I just come down, you can want just copy the USDT wallet orders and come in this website and paste in here. And I just click withdraw instantly. This website send me my withdrawal instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay to share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. Go to overview, come down, and you can see I earned this much USDT, and you can see I earn 0.32 cents of USDT. Pay me instantly to my faucetpay. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Bye bye for now.